Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best cheap gaming laptops.
Starting at number 5.
Lenovo Ideapad L340 Gaming Laptop. The Lenovo Ideapad L340 is well-equipped laptop that, unlike many competitors, is also great for daily use beyond gaming. It has a beautifully understated design with cool blue accents and solid hardware specs for its price tag. We really like that the notebook has a built-in physical shutter for its webcam. The device's full HD display panels is also impressive for a sub-$700 gaming rig. It has a versatile 180-degree hinge and dedicated eye care mode. The latter will help you avoid eye strain by reducing the panel's blue light emission. The Ideapad L340 has a duo of usage modes. Users can choose between a quick mode that optimizes the device's hardware for a robust gaming experience, or a quiet mode that's better suited for work and casual use.
Coming at number 4.
MSI GF75 Thin Gaming Laptop. The MSI GF75 Thin is incredibly sleek for a big-screen gaming rig. The notebook's 17.3-inch screen has insanely thin bezels, which result in a screen-to-body ratio of 88%, an amazing number for a gaming laptop. We only wish that it had a higher maximum refresh rate. The big notebook's brushed aluminum finish is also impressive. Overall, you will be hard-pressed to find a more elegant big-screen gaming laptop in this price range. MSI has equipped the GF75 Thin well for a sub-$1000 product offering. The notebook CPU is the most powerful on this list. There's plenty of RAM and fast SSD storage out of the box, too. You can easily upgrade both if you wish. In case you like the design of the GF75, but don't need a screen this big, consider the MSI GF63 Thin instead. It has the same design and similar specs, but a more compact 15.6-inch screen.
At number 3.
Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop. If you're shopping for a portable gaming rig on a really tight budget, this sub-$500 Acer Nitro 5 variant is your best bet. Equipped with AMD Ryzen processor and Radeon graphics card, the gaming laptop will deliver a respectable gaming experience in full HD, so long as you manage your expectations accordingly. In order to make the device so affordable, Acer opted to equip it with a hard drive instead of a faster solid-state drive. We highly recommend that you consider upgrading the component when your budget permits. It will result in a noticeable performance increase. The notebook has an excellent set of connectivity features and a spacious keyboard with red backlighting. Its chassis has an edgy design and cool red accents as well. But we really wish that the display bezels of the gaming rig were not so gigantic. The Acer Nitro 5 has a high-quality cooling system with a dedicated software suite. Its retail package includes a handy carrying sleeve.
Number 2 of my list.
Asus TUF505 Gaming Laptop. While the Asus TUF505 gaming laptop has a more capable NVIDIA graphics card and more RAM out of the box than the HP listed above, it's lacking in a few key areas. The HP Pavilion has a display with higher maximum refresh rate, better speakers, longer battery life, bigger SSD storage capacity, and more connectivity features. The TUF505 is bizarrely lacking a USB-C port. Its design is also more characterful and you can order a version with bigger display panel. But, adding to the exceptional graphics card and more RAM, the Asus TUF505 notebook is also crafted to meet military standards for durability. You can order a variant of the notebook with less powerful AMD processor and NVIDIA graphics card for less than $700. An Intel-powered TUF505 with Core i7 processor is also available.
And number 1.
HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop, 15-inch. The 15-inch HP Pavilion is the best gaming laptop for less than $1,000. Priced below $900, the gaming rig has a cool design, headlined by a sleek metal chassis that's surprisingly thin and elegant. I really like the notebook's contrasting green accents, the matching keyboard backlighting, as well as the cool geometric patterns of the speaker grille. Its ultra-thin top and side bezels are also quite impressive. The Pavilion is also worth your attention for offering solid hardware specs, robust gaming performance, and top-notch battery life, more than 8 hours of mixed use. A laptop mag editor rightfully praised the notebook for offering stellar performance and battery life at an affordable price. The 144Hz maximum refresh rate of the HP Pavilion screen is the highest on this list. Its B&O Tune speakers, on the other hand, are crisp, loud, and among the best in class, too. The same goes for its fantastic set of wired and wireless connectivity features. In case you are looking for a bigger screen, you are in luck. HP offers an HP Pavilion gaming notebook with a 17-inch screen for less than $1,000.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.